Hello guys, I am Pratiksha, All India Rank 48. War mode is on. In next 25 days, you will be facing your exams. So in this video, I will be talking about all the problems which you will be facing, like doing silly mistakes, calculation errors, unable to focus during examination, issues with your revision, mindset with which you have to prepare, and so on. एज इट इज सेड, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, विच मीन्स फियर द वेव्स एंड यू विल नेवर क्रॉस, कीप ट्राइंग एंड यू विल नेवर लूज. So with this positive thought, let's get started. First point is, as exam is approaching, panic and anxiety will start increasing. Please do ensure not to start new subjects or new topics now. Also, avoid watching long theory videos. Let's talk about the mindset. Right now, your mindset should be such that of a player preparing for World Cup final. You have to train your mind like an athlete. For preparing it, you have to revise your weak areas, solve the questions which you have marked earlier. Train your brain for exam conditions. Second important thing is practicing mixed questions, which means allocate 3 hours of time, mix your subjects and try to solve jumbled PYQs. For example, 5 questions from each subjects. Pick them from PYQs, allocate 3 hours to them and try to solve them. If you are facing difficulty in collecting the questions, download the paper from GATE website and try to solve complete paper in 3 hours. This will train your brain in switching between the questions. That will help you to recall and improve your focus during examination. Third most important thing is active recall. This time is not to passively revise. Try to close your eyes and recall formulas, exceptions and procedures. If you are unable to recall, open your book, check and again close and try to recall. This will help you train to recollect during examination. Next most important thing is mock test and the mindset. So mock test is not an exam of judgment. Please understand, it is for diagnosis. In mock exam, you will try to understand the mistakes you are committing, the topics which you are weak at, and you will try to improve upon that. Do not stop with the fear of getting low marks. Please keep giving mock exams at this point. Try to learn how to use virtual calculators, how to navigate between questions, which way solving gives you maximum marks, by which I mean which is the most comfortable way for you, solving first 1 mark questions first or solving 2 mark questions first or solving between marks. Try to analyze the pattern which works best for you. What mistakes to avoid, all these things are to be learned from mocks and not to get feared because of the low marks you are scoring. Ideally, maximum 1 mock you should be giving for between 3 to 4 days. So ideally that is max to max 2 mocks every week. Next most important thing is fixing blank mind and silly mistakes during exam. One of the most common doubts which I have faced, and this even I myself have experienced giving mock exams, that minds get suddenly blank or it starts wandering in random things. So the main problem of it is pressure during the exam, fear of time. As we see clock ticking in, we are bound to get fearful and overthinking about the results. We can solve that only by one thing, is reading slowly and solving very calmly. Focus on one question which appears on your screen at a time. This will help you train your brain to focus during examination, and you can utilize mocks to train your brain in this direction. One of the most important things is calculation mistakes. To fix them, write steps carefully, write your formulas very properly and try to avoid mental calculations. Write each and every steps in your paper which they give. Recheck the sign and the units. Keep a thumb rule in your mind that speed is useless without accuracy. So accuracy is quite important. Do focus on that and try avoiding jumping between the calculation or formulas. Do note them carefully. My final thoughts in this last 25 days is, GATE exam is not just about how much you have studied. It will reward the one who is patient, who is more accurate, who is disciplined, and most importantly, your trust in self and your preparation. If this video has helped you, like, share and subscribe. And remember, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.